Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to my channel, Sri Educational Channel. Current affairs lo first bit. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Sahasra Seema Bal? Answer: Sanjay Verma, Rahul Rashgostra, Anish Dayal, Daljit Singh. The correct answer: Daljit Singh. Second one, as per the new guidelines issued by the Ministry of Education for the regulation of coaching centers 2024, students with the age below dash years shall not be enrolled by any coaching center. The correct answer: 16 years. Third one, Gianni Infantino has been awarded with International Prestigious Sports Personality of the Year award at a ceremony held in Dubai. He is the president of which of the following international sport organization? Answers: FIH, FIFA, and NBA, ICC. The correct answer: FIFA.